Samsung released new smartwatches and earbuds this month, and they quickly became some of the most controversial products the company has created in years. Why? Because their designs appear far too similar to those of Apple. Many long-time Samsung users and media professionals felt this way, and it isn't just them. According to reports from Korea, Samsung's chairman, Lee Yang, got angry and issued a strict order to the mobile division. He even took some action against the mobile division's head, TM Roh. The internal mood in Samsung's mobile division is quite tight right now. So let's break it down. Chairman Lee is praised for his gentle disposition and rarely becomes upset. However, the outrage over design similarities and concerns with the Buds 3 Pro, with their silicone tips that break easily, has caused him to lose his cool and step in. To be honest, it feels good to hear that someone in Samsung's leadership recognizes that the firm has taken the wrong and lazy turn. Samsung's success was built on pushing the boundaries with innovative designs and features. However, since DJ Ko left in 2020, Samsung has been on an easy path to copying Apple. Apple removed the charger from the box, and Samsung followed suit 6 months later. Apple created a titanium iPhone, which Samsung replicated in the same color. Last month, they practically copied AirPods, and with the Galaxy Watch Ultra, even though the chassis design dates back to 2017 with the Gear Sport, Samsung changed the band orange, knowing that Apple had put out the same colored strap a few years before. What's funny is that they recently hired a Mercedes designer who worked on the new watch. What are they paying him so much for? A copy and paste job? According to me, Samsung wants to attract Apple users by making its devices appear similar. They've lost a significant amount of market share to Apple, particularly among younger people. So their logic appears to be, if they want an iPhone, let's give them something that looks like one. Trying to convince an iOS user is difficult, therefore this may be their tactic. But here's what Samsung should understand. Apple's popularity is not solely due to its coolness. They are popular because they established an ecosystem that makes users believe switching would be a downgrade. Samsung is popular because it is the leading Android brand that promotes innovation in technology. If Samsung ditches its unique brand identity in order to attract Apple consumers, it risks losing existing customers who chose them because they are unique and creative. If they wanted an iPhone, they would purchase one. They pick Samsung because they prefer Samsung products over Apple. It does not look good for the biggest Android player to appear to be simply duplicating Apple's basic concept. Fortunately, the chairman's participation indicates that the corporation is aware of this risk and will likely change its strategy in the future. So let's hope that this doesn't happen again in the future. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for future tech updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.